All right. Oh yeah, and I thank you. Y'all, I'm gonna show you how to find the square roots using a calculator. And this is pretty cool. This is something I just found out like rather recently. And you have 8, correct? So I want to find the square root of 8. Go to your calculator, go to the y equals, and do 8 divided by x squared. And when you do 8 divided by x squared, this is what you're going to get for your table. Go to your table, second table. Here are your numbers. And here's what's really cool. I can look at this here, and I want to go down until I find the number such that it's less than 1. Notice 0.88 is less than what? Y is less than 1. So then I go back up to the first one that doesn't have any decimals. What's the first one without decimals? 2 and 2. So the answer is 2 square roots of 2. I go here and look at the 75, and it's divided by what? Not x, but what? X squared. And I go to my table, I get things that look like this. Now there's more to the table, but notice one's always going to go, correct? Right? Because 1 squared is 1, and 1 will go into every number from the world, right? 2 won't, 3 won't go, 4 won't go, but 5, look at 5. Think about it, because what's 5 squared? 25. And 25 times 3 does make what? 75. So my answer is actually this. In this order, it is what? 5 on the outside, square roots of 3. How easy is this? So what would I do on 18? Y equals what? 18 divided by what? X squared. And I'm going to go down here. And it's 3 and 2. And that's 9 times 3 squared is 9. So 3 squared is 2. And it's even written in the right order. The x is the outside and y is the what? Inside. And then 72. Now this one, notice here, we're going to get these numbers. These work, but these will still keep reducing. Now until I get to what? This last one. And so we'll do what? 6 square roots of what? 2. And then 48. So as you can see here, what's the last one? 4 square roots of 3. Now, I think that's pretty cool. And for those that are a little more, want to actually see it in the calculator, come over here, turn it on, hit my y equals, and I'm just going to pick this, I'll pick the 72 one right here, okay? 72, I'm going to do this here. 72 divided by x, and make sure I hit it squared. And I don't need to go to the graph. I'm just going to do second table, which is the graph. 0 is always going to be an error, because can you divide by 0? No, but I really need to start with just the numbers 1. Notice, and you can see the numbers up here. So, be careful. Hey, make sure to walk behind. Stop. Hey, oh, stop right there a second. Oh, I'm filming. All right. And you can see right here what? You can see the numbers, and so it's just what? 6 square roots of 2. And if you want, you can kind of what? Go down, and once you get below 1, you know you've what? There's not going to be an answer. It's possible that you might have a number in 1. If you have a number in 1, that means it's an exact square root. Okay? So, but obviously here the answer was what? 6 and 2, which is kind of what we showed over here. And to me, that makes it work really what? Quick and easy.